In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen for information. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. We talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the street guests required to present your ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Additionally, the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. By commenting, we will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video.